Tell me about yourself. My name is Luceriana Muñoz. I have been 25 years old. I live in Bogota, and this moment I dedicate myself of biomedical for an hospital in which I am in trade of fishing equipment that is used in the patent. I do not count the sea, but if I count the ocean, I do not like vegetal very much. I like K-pop and anime. I studied in electronic engineering because I think is in complementary care to what I am already exercising. What do you to help the every enrollment? Small deeds like turning off light, use less single use plastic in favor of reusable products like care on bike, there's eco-friendly toilet paper can make it a big difference even if the looks and more investigation are portable. Use it coffee cup. Use it was having cleaning closed on shopping. Um, Switch to shampoo, stick to reset your old set of plastic. For you, what are some questions of consumers? How can you help to reduce it? About single-use product that is to use it and throw by waiting on traditional maker um of the we consume could be bought in bulk by by production really where they are needed when objective applies of technology the device break first see it can be prepared before opting to acquire a new one to help natural. How can you lower your carbon footprint? Closest or organic and local food that are either as transporting a food for 5 8 weeks. There be true ski real planning use a fossil for fuel for cooling to keep for in transit for spoiling be forced in bulk the be possible you say you want use it big container reduce your food washing be planning with a half of time first the exercise are using leftovers. What is the difference carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide? Um, Difference terminal structure carbon dioxide is its terminal compound consists of the carbon and two oxygen atom. Uh, Carbon monoxide it is terminal compound that consists of carbon and two oxygen atoms. Color and carbon dioxide it is colors and odors less at room temperature. In carbon monoxide it is colors and odorless gas. Eh, thank you.